Hello friends, this week for science we are going to be talking about what animals need. So every day you're going to listen to this read aloud of what do animals need, and you're going to answer a different question each day, write a sentence, and upload your work. What do animals need? Take a look at the picture and think about what you see. If you want to look at the picture longer, you may pause the video. Animals live in different habitats. Some animals live in water. Others live on land. Some animals live on other animals, but all animals have the same basic needs. That bold word that you see right here, that is the word habitats. Habitats are a place that an animal lives, and different animals have different habitats. Animals need food. They eat plants and animals. Animals that eat plants are herbivores. Animals that eat other animals are carnivores. So herbivores are animals that eat plants. Carnivores are animals that eat other animals. If you would like to look at the pictures longer, you may pause the video. Animals need water. Most land animals drink fresh water. Some animals get water only from their food. Land animals need air. Air contains oxygen that animals need to live. Oxygen is what we breathe, what we need to live. Animals need shelter. Shelter protects animals from weather and other animals. Burrows and nests are safe places for young animals. A terrarium is a small habitat made in a container. Worms, snails, insects, and plants can live together in a habitat. Animals are living things. Plants are living things too. All living things have basic needs. What basic needs does a terrarium provide for plants and animals? Thinking about what do animals need? Today, you're going to answer the question, what are the basic needs of animals? So you're just going to answer that one question today, number one. What are the basic needs of animals? If you need to listen to the video again to listen for that information, you may. Tomorrow you will answer a new question, but today you are answering what are the basic needs of animals, and I will give you a sentence starter to help you get started, and you'll upload a picture of your work on the Google form or send it to your teacher.